Hey guys, Billy Frades. You can see I'm here in my home office, and in this video, what I'm going to show you is the best ways to make money online. If you're broke, if you're a teenager, if you're whatever, there's no limit to this. So, the best three ways to make money online in 2018. So let's begin with the first point. So as you can see, I have my notes here. And so basically, the first way to make money online in 2018, like the most popular way would be drop shipping. Okay, so with drop shipping, the first thing is drop shipping is very scalable. You can basically start with $5 a day, doing Facebook ads, and you get a product, and you start with $5 a day. And then you literally scale up as you go, as you become profitable. I'm sure you already know that. So the second thing is you can start drop shipping with a very minimal budget. As I said, you can start at with like $5 a day. So that's pretty good. And also Shopify will cost you like $29, which is like nothing. So that would be good. So it's less than like you're starting less than $100. And the third thing is with drop shipping, you can become profitable in like less than a month. So let's say you're in your first week, you're working on a store. The first week is literally for it's like for like testing out products and building your store and all that stuff. Personally, I like this is like my second most thing in to make money online. But this thing, the second thing is not like you can't call it like you're making money online because you have to go outside your house. So that's the thing is, you know, that's like social media marketing. So once you have like your own agency, you can literally sign up a client, and the client will pay you like whatever the amount is. Like let's say $1,000, and immediately it happens for you. If you want to make $1,000 in a single day, social media marketing is how you're gonna do it. So yeah, guys, you approach a client. Let's say you approach a coffee shop, and then you go there and you tell them you provide social media marketing services, and yeah, so basically that's how you make $1,000 in a single day. And with social media marketing, between all the three, this is like the fastest way to make money. One more thing, which I like about social media marketing, it's very easy to scale up to six figures once you have your own agency. Once you have like six or seven or eight clients, you can basically scale it up to six figures. And also, social media marketing is not as easy, it's not as passive because you need to work a lot between all the three things, the three ways to make money online. Like social media marketing is like the most work needed. So yeah, my favorite thing with this thing, you can literally be broke and start it. You can start with like $0, and you can start with, yeah, literally, like I said, you can be broke and start it. With nothing. And of course, my third way to make money online. This is kind of my favorite way, and I would recommend this to everyone. It's affiliate marketing. It's like my favorite thing to do online to make money. So with affiliate marketing, you only need so there are like two ways to go about affiliate marketing. So the first route you can go is the paid traffic method. With the paid traffic method, you need like money, let's say a couple of $100s for advertising. So you'll be needing, have to test out different landing pages, email marketing. So if you don't know like what testing landing pages is, let's say you need like $200 or $300 for affiliate marketing. If you go for the paid traffic method, but if you go with the free traffic method, literally, guys, I personally I started with like nothing, with $0, and I've done so much money with just free traffic. So that's like the Facebook free traffic method, and that's my favorite thing to do, guys. I have so many people that have started this thing that itself the free traffic method has literally changed people's lives. So that's why, guys, I would tell you, if you want to like make money online with affiliate marketing, just go with a free traffic method. That's like honestly, guys, that's works so well. It's incredible. It's insane just to you can make so much. I'm like a fan of free traffic methods. So yeah, all right, the second point is affiliate marketing. I think is more beginner friendly compared to Shopify, like Shopify dropshipping. So the thing is, I'm not going to go more deeper into this, but like with affiliate offers, you can add your affiliate links and you just try to promote it with a free traffic method. And it's like you can literally, when you start your first week, you can make like $500 with a free traffic method with affiliate marketing. So that's the thing, and that's why I like it's more beginner friendly. Like with Shopify, you need to have, if you don't have like Facebook skills, like to do Facebook ad skills and the knowledge to do all the ads, you're just like blowing your money, you know blowing your money with Facebook or drop shipping. So that's why affiliate marketing is more beginner friendly. The one thing that I really like about affiliate marketing is that you can literally start affiliate marketing with like no money. So yeah, that also applies to the social media marketing method. But there's one more thing. You don't even have to leave your house to do affiliate marketing. But with social media marketing, you have to like leave your house to acquire clients. So with affiliate marketing, you basically need $0. So the last point with affiliate marketing is I have seen people's lives change with affiliate marketing. So basically, I mean, they have quit their 9 to 5 job because of their of doing affiliate marketing. They got into an affiliate program, and that's how they got into it. So yeah, basically that's how you can make money online for 2018 and beyond. Um, and if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. And I'll see you. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.